Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Albert in Florida on its Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Albert, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Get right to it here. Going to turn the RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. It's sitting about 25 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp or roll it up. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 300 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. 1-2 audio. And about 790 PEP. Alright, everyone, got it ready to go. All your wires ready, your fuse holder and all. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.